What do you do in the first minute after you wake up? To see the time, maybe you start with a wonder wayful ended. My busiest lived be most and över couple vilket inside here out. Crypt insid insecurk your walked and the filth. Do you check your phone? You're in lost to dinsery. Today, I want to show you one small thing that can make your day better. It is easy. It is free, and you can start tomorrow morning. Welcome to the English Flow podcast. My name is Lucas. I am so happy you are here. Before we start, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is free and it helps you learn English every day. Now, let us talk about our topic. Wake up with a plan. So, what is a plan? A plan is a small list of things you want to do today. That is all. It is not big, it is not hard. It is like a little map for your day. When you have a map, you know where to go. When you have a plan, you know what to do. Say this word with me. Plan. Good. Why is a plan so good? Think about a day with no plan. You wake up, you feel busy, you do many small things, and at night you feel tired. But you did not do the important things. That feels bad, right? A plan helps you do the important things first. A plan makes the day feel calm and clear. Here is a small story. My friend Tom used to wake up with no plan. He looked at his phone for 1 hour in bed. Then he felt slow all day. 1 week, he tried a plan. Every morning, he wrote 3 things on paper. Just 3. After that week, he told me, "Lucas, I feel like a new person." A small plan changed his day. Now, how do you make a plan? It is very easy. Take a paper and a pen or use your phone. Write 3 things you want to do today. Only 3. For example, 1. Study English. 2. Go for a walk. 3. Call my mom. That is your plan. It takes 1 minute. Let me teach you an important word. First. After you write your 3 things, ask, what is first? Do the first thing before you do anything else. When you finish the first thing, you feel happy and strong. Then you do the next thing. First, then next, then next. Easy, right? Good. Let us with this simple question. Ask yourself now, what is my plan for tomorrow? Think of 3 things. Maybe you want to clean. Maybe you like to clean, to read, and to rest. Say them out loud by Fathild. First, I clean, and I clean, then I read, then I rest. When you say your plan out loud, it feels real. And you also practice your English. Nice work. Here is one more tip. Make your plan the night before, or make it in the morning with your coffee. Both are good. The morning is quiet and fresh. It is a great time to think. Look at your notebook, write your 3 things, and start your day. you will feel ready. Now let us tie this to English. This is very important. Put Learn English in your plan every single day. Write it at the top of your list. When you do this, you study English every morning, even for 10 minutes. 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow. Small practice every day makes you speak better and faster. So make English part of your daily plan, and you will grow. Do you see how a small plan can help so much? A plan is a small list. A plan, it is small list to hate mighty shell owns. Do you see you make a plan is essential worries that it did not want you look at that. As like you is small map put in your day. It makes you calm. It helps you do the important things, and it helps you learn English every day. And the best part, it takes only 1 minute. You can do it tomorrow morning. So that is our lesson today. Lesson a plan is a small list of things to do. It helps you feel calm and do the first thing first. Write 3 things every morning and put Learn English on your list. In our next episode, we will talk about another simple habit. Turn off the TV. You do not want to miss that one. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell. Thank you for learning with me today. This is Lucas from the English Flow Podcast. Have a great day and see you next time.